Hi, I'm Kate, and today we're at Jitters in Joliet, and I'm gonna learn how to make a pistachio oat milk latte. Hi everyone, today we're here with Amber, and we're gonna learn how to make a pistachio oat milk latte.
We're gonna first get espresso to start our coffee.
Okay.
So first we have to get the beans. And then I just wipe it off and hit it down. Now we're gonna push it in here, line up, and press go. I would do the middle.
Okay.
And we have espresso. So this is a steamer. You gotta really put it in there.
Okay.
To the bottom, and now lift it up. We're going to do 1 inch of pistachio. In a medium, we give 2 shots unless they request more.
Okay.
Now we're gonna end it with our oat milk. You have a great froth! Just pour it in for now, but don't go all the way to the top. Now kind of lean the top in more. Give it a little mix. Okay. With the spoon, try to make a heart. It looks like a tsunami. Okay, there we go.
There we have a hurricane.
Perfect. And you have a perfect.
Oh my god. I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be very hot. Oh, that is good though. Well, I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time. Cheers.